Hey guys, Jasur here from Shanghai Silk Road. In this video I'd like to talk about registering your company in China as an individual investor and registering it as a company investor. So what is the difference? A lot of people have been asking me recently. So basically when you register your company as an individual investor, your company will be owned by yourself, obviously. And if you registered by your existing company, making your existing company a parent company of your Chinese company, obviously your Chinese company will be owned by your existing company. So your existing company might be in your country or elsewhere. And the major reason why people do that is because, well, among different reasons, because there are a lot of other reasons as well. But one of the major reasons why people do that is they want to have this flexibility in currency control. So for example, if you want to transfer all your earnings from your Chinese company back to your home country, it's better to register your Chinese company under your existing company. Why? Because when your Chinese company makes income, profit, those money, that profit and that earnings can be easily transferred back to your home country or to your existing company that is registered somewhere else. Maybe it's not your home country. So that is the major reason. But of course, there are other reasons, like if your company is already successful elsewhere, and it's easier to use that company as a brand name rather than starting your Chinese company from scratch with a totally different name. And this is another reason. So that is the difference, basically. When you registered as an individual, it's a little bit harder to get that earnings out of China because still in China there's when it comes to currency, there's still a little bit bureaucracy involved. So we always suggest, if you want to take money outside the country, we always suggest that you registered as a company investor. And how it's done, let me tell you the difference registering your company as individual investor and company investor. So when you register your company as individual investor, all you have to do is you have to provide a copy of your passport. That's it, basically. And because the government have made it very easy. And when you register your company as a company investor, like using your existing company, you have to provide the certified copy of your existing business license, i.e. the parent company's business license. If it's registered in your country, you can take that business license and then go to the Chinese embassy in your country, and they have a pretty standard process that they certify your current business license. And with that, of course, if you do it through us, we will give you some more documents. That those documents have to be signed by all the shareholders, okay, and all the shareholders of your current company. So for example, director of the company cannot be the solely responsible for opening or registering a Chinese company. All the directors and all the shareholders have to sign certain documents in order to register a Chinese company. So that's it. When you registered as an individual, it's pretty straightforward. One copy of your passport. Sometimes a copy of your passport should be certified by Chinese embassy. But in the case of company investor, your business license will have to be certified, like 100% of the time, will have to be certified by a Chinese embassy in your country, or the country that your business existing company is registered in. So that's the difference. And let me know if you have any specific questions regarding this in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates about life and business in China. All right, thank you. Hey guys, I almost forgot when I talked about this differences between ownership, individual owner and the company owner of a WFOE, that don't assume that when your existing company is the owner of your WFOE in China, this WFOE in China is not a branch office. Okay, many people do that mistake. It's understandable in the beginning. So it's not a branch office. Branch office is a totally different thing, and it functions differently as well. So, but WFOE owned by a parent company in your home country, it functions on its own. It's a private company, all right? So that's the difference. When we talk about branch company normally is pretty limited in its actions. So they can only do market research and promote their products, but they cannot engage in transactions with any customers in China. So they cannot earn money in China. But a WFOE owned by your existing company, they can do that. All right. So there's a huge difference. All right. Cheers.